This is Vitali. He's 10 years old and he lives in a country called Kyrgyzstan. Every Sabbath, boys and girls in Vitali's church are invited to listen to a children's story. After the story, the storyteller always asks, "Did any of you memorize a Bible verse this week?" Any child who memorized a verse gets to recite it for the whole church to hear. For the past year, 10-year-old Vitali has raised his hand and shared a Bible verse every Sabbath. Why do you think he memorizes a Bible verse each week? When a friend asked him, Vitali smiled shyly and said, "I memorize verses as a gift to God." You see, the Sabbath school teacher always reminds Vitali and the other children of something important. She says, "Every day, God gives us many gifts. What gift do you have for God today?" God has given Vitali many gifts. He lives with his loving grandparents. He has a home and a warm bed. He goes to a good school. He has food to eat. But Vitali didn't have any money or toys to give his gifts to God. He wondered for a long time, what gift can I give to God? Then Vitali thought about how well he can remember things. He decided to memorize a verse from the Bible every week. His Sabbath school teacher said this would be a wonderful gift for God. He isn't nervous anymore when he stands up in front at church because he does it every week. Vitali is one of 6 children in Kyrgyzstan who go to church every Sabbath, even though no one else in their families is an Adventist. The children stand outside their homes on Sabbath mornings and wait for the Sabbath school teacher to pick them up in her car. After church, she drives them home. These children like church so much that they go every week no matter what. When it snows a lot and other children stay in their warm homes, Vitali and the others go to church. When the weather is warm and the other children play outside, they still go to church. The pastor is glad that they're so faithful about spending Sabbath with God. In fact, little Vitali loves church so much that he told his older brother about it, and now he goes to church too. Vitali is in the 4th grade at Heritage Christian School in Kyrgyzstan. He loves his school because he gets to learn about God every day. Part of this quarter's 13 Sabbath offerings will help Heritage Christian School. Did you know that the school is named after a Bible verse? Psalm 127:3 says, "Children are a heritage from the Lord." That means children are a special gift that God gives to parents. Please remember Heritage Christian School in your prayers and with your Sabbath School mission offerings.